Ahoy! I guess he shivered his last timbers. So a little while back, I had this idea with a friend to create a turn-based strategy game about becoming the best pirate in the galaxy while using collectible cards to do said thing. I also decided to make it a roguelike because I really like making things hard for myself. The game takes place in a weird and colorful universe where you navigate star systems with the ship that you stole from your parents. While navigating, you'll be given a series of tasks to complete before you can move on to the next level. These tasks can range from being a general nuisance by attacking freighter ships, to having all-out bouts with rival pirates and space government entities, like the Intergalactic British Association. And since it's space, you'll also have the opportunity to find hidden oddities to improve your ship and deck to become an unstoppable force for pirate good. The meat of the game will be with the combat portions, where you get to use the cards that you collect. I've decided to play around with a modified version of Clash Royale's card system to make the matches quick and engaging, while also allowing you to create your own strategy as the game goes on. Of course, there's no real balancing yet, because I haven't really thought about that, but we'll talk about that in future episodes. For now, I'll show you where I'm at in the project. So far, we have some pretty simple stuff. A top-down character controller with a smooth camera, a basic pickup, which is right now just a glowing cube that makes a little fun message when you pick it up, and a skeleton of what basic combat will look like, including everything you could possibly need. 4 fully functioning cards, 2 cubes, and a turn system. Even though it seems pretty limited right now, I'm really happy with what I got so far. This is the most complicated system I've written for a game, and the fact that it actually works is pretty mind-blowing. That about covers what's been done on the game so far, but if you want a sneak peek of what's coming up, I'll put a link to my Milanote Board in the description. Alright, that's the end. Get up out here, be gone. But for real, thanks for tuning into episode 1. I had a lot of fun making this, and it was a long time coming. I've been working on this game for like a month now, so I'm a little late to the party, but here we are. I'm hoping to do these bi-weekly at the latest to ensure they got some schmeat to them, but we'll see where things go. And if you want to see me live, check me out on twitch.tv/IDon'tKnowEntertainment, where I unlock a new brain cell for the cost of an old one every other day. Alright, this is the real ending. Congrats on making it here. See y'all in the next one.